All you guys that are working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living, barely getting by. It's all taking and no giving. You could lose your mind if you... I don't know the rest. Okay, so all you guys that are out there working 9 to 5, you have to do this hard work. You got to be there. You're all part of the traffic, flying around, going from here to there, trying to get there on time. Otherwise, they're going to dock your pay, or they're going to write you up, fire you, whatever they're going to do. Just remember, there's an incredible trade waiting for you, and it's called the garage door trade, where you don't have to report to anybody. You can get there whatever time you want, and you make way more money than you're making now. So if you had a choice, which one would you take? If you're planning on just going by living the rat race life, then good luck to you. But if you're planning on improving your life, changing your life, evolving with life, you should learn this trade. See you later. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.